The 1998 DeVille. The Cadillac DeVille has melded art and science into an automobile that is reduced in exterior dimensions, yet offers an expansive, comfortable interior. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, cassette. Come see the car for yourself.